Hello friends, I am Adnan Hussain, your tech buddy. Today I am here to share the easiest method on how to update your Lenovo Touchpad driver if it's not working. So if you're facing the touchpad issues, don't worry, let's dive right into the video. First, press Windows key, then type CMD and press enter. Then type DEVMGMT dot MSC, then press enter. It will open your device manager, then press tab key one time, then down arrow key until you get in the mice and other pointing devices. Then press right arrow key. Then just press down arrow again and select Synaptics pointing devices. Then press enter. It will open this. Then again press tab key until it highlights the top options. Then press right arrow driver, then again press tab, then select update drivers, then press enter. First we will search automatic for drivers, then press enter. Windows has successfully updated your driver. After that your mouse will be work. If it is not, then don't worry, there is a second option. Press update driver again, then browse my computer for drivers. Press it, then select, then press tab key to select let me pick, then press enter, then select the updated one. Synaptics pointing device version, the update driver, then press enter. Update is done and you'll see your mouse pointing is working.